Hello, welcome. So in this video I'm going to walk you through on how to import from AliExpress. So far so good. We have talked about Alibaba, we've talked about 1688. Now we're going to talk about how you can use AliExpress to buy products, then ship it to your own address in Nigeria. But one thing I have to understand is AliExpress is an international retail market. So we don't expect to see the products at the cheaper rates as you normally see on 1688 or Alibaba. So the products in AliExpress, they might be a bit higher than what you may see on 1688 or Alibaba. So I will be covering five topics. The first one will be on product research, how to search products on AliExpress. Then second one is how to filter the searched products. You can filter search products based on the rating. You can filter products based on the newest or the hot selling. You can filter based on the seller's information. Then reviews are customers review. Then reviews are customers review. Have to know what customers feel about the product they bought. Then shipping methods. This is the most important part of it because sometimes items shipped through AliExpress may take up to 2 months before it can get to you, or sometimes you may not even see them. So the best thing there is to make sure you choose trackable shipping methods. Sometimes you may see AliExpress standard shipping, which is the common one, and this is also a good one. Then also there are other ones. Then if you see any shipping method that is untrackable, that is tracking unavailable, don't use it because you will end up either losing your item or taking up to 2 months before you can get an item. Then the last one is adding up payment information. That's the sweetest thing about AliExpress. You can pay in directly with your own local bank ATM card. No need of no need of 1688 merchant, no need of agents to buy for you. You can literally buy on your own. Then after you must have added payment information, after you must have added your own address, your own physical address, Google, nothing like Lagos or whatever. You add your own address, they will ship to your own address. Then you have to go pick it up to the nearest post office. Then placing order after you must have chosen which item to buy. Then adding your shipping method, adding your address, then place order. Let's jump into the main course.